Oh, hey, love buckets. Okay, so let's talk about making some fucking money. Now, you all want to make more money. I know. It's one of the reasons you're in here. A lot of you want to blow past 10K months. I don't have very much time, so I'm actually going to make a smoothie before I go get on my call. But I want to talk about this, right? Hi Megan, welcome. So you guys all want to make more money. You want to blow through past $10,000 months. So you want to hit that $10,000 month threshold and move way the fuck past it, right? So here's what I want you to do. You ready? Chill the fuck out. Relax, love. It's that hustle, and that stress, and that, oh my God, I don't know where it's coming from. It's not happening because I can't foreseeably see where it's coming from. So therefore, because you're looking at all the reasons why it's not coming to you, it's not coming to you, right? You want to move past that $10,000 wall, that $10,000 wall you've created in your mind is really fucking high. Guess what? Yeah. I know, Elizabeth. You keep looking for all the proof of why it's not going to happen. Start looking for the proof on why it is going to happen, and it will. How is abundance available to you? Everywhere, right? You don't have to look at where the things are going to be coming from. You just have to feel and know that it's going to happen. Okay? Doesn't matter where it's coming from. You just have to know. So July, I need to finish making my smoothie really quick. So July, my goal, I hadn't been doing one-on-one for a while. And I just started doing one-on-one again because I had my mastermind and I was just doing group programs, and I'd taken a little bit of a break from one-on-one, and I fucking love doing one-on-one. Oh, you oil pulled your teeth today. How do they feel? Do you notice that your smile is just fucking gigantic? I love it. And I fucking love one-on-one, you guys. I totally do. So, and yes, I have one more spot opening. I have a spot opening up in October. So you can reach out to me if you're interested in that. But in July, my goal was to sign 2 one-on-one people. Yeah, you feel so clean afterwards, don't you? And here's the thing, loves. I had no idea where it was going to come from. No idea. And I didn't focus on that. I didn't focus on, oh, if I put a promo out and nobody reached out to me immediately after that, then no one wants to work with me. I don't fucking do that. And you know what? Anytime I do that, if I fall into that habit, guess what? Nothing fucking happens. So, hi, Karen. So July, this was my goal. I had set the goal in June. By July 2nd, I wanted to sign, in all of July, I was like, I'm going to sign 2 new one-on-one clients. I had them both by July 2nd. Signed, dotted, boom. So, and it's like, here, you just fucking release the how, my loves. You have to release the how. You have to keep getting out of here and get down to here. Stop doing the hamster wheel, and I don't foreseeably see where they're coming from. I don't see where they're coming from. I don't see the results. 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 The more you don't see the results, the more you're not going to see the results. The more you focus on the fact, quote unquote fact, that you don't see the results, the less results you're going to see, right? Because you're proving to yourself, you are literally manifesting yourself being either broke as fuck or manifesting yourself not signing clients or not reaching that 10K threshold. I remember it was a year ago, October, next month was my first 10K month. I've had 1 month in a year where I didn't make 10K cash. Every month has been at least a 10K booked. And now $10,000 a month feels small to me. I'm super fucking grateful. I am so fucking grateful for it and for my business and, you know, the beautiful abundance that is available to me everywhere. I fucking love it. And it's amazing because when I stopped viewing $10,000 a month as this giant fucking brick wall that, how the hell do you climb a brick wall? No, when I started being like, oh, it like only comes up to here, I can just like climb right over it. Oh shit. all of a sudden, guess what, my love? Boom. Easy. So stop making it out to be some giant fucking thing that you can't ever see how the hell you're going to reach the top of it. And start seeing it as something that is available. All you have to do is just like step over it. Okay, that's awesome. What is the emotion you're going to feel when you are making $10,000 a month? What is the emotion going to feel when you blow through your goals? What is that emotion? And get into that now. Maybe you have to stop thinking about business altogether and you just have to show the fuck up. If you're going to feel relieved and you're going to feel relaxed and you're going to feel fun, go somewhere, feel relieved and relaxed. Go have a fucking orgasm. That's a lot of fun. That leads to feeling really relieved. That leads to feeling really relaxed. Or go for a hike. Go for a walk in nature. Go sit by the ocean. Just stop thinking about business and completely disconnect. Because if the moment you go back to thinking about business and you're thinking, oh, they're not coming, they're not coming, they're not coming, it's not working, 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 the more you continue to think about that, if every time you think about your business, you're going to be thinking about how it's not working, people aren't reaching out to you, nobody wants to buy from you, guess what? They're going to continue to not reach out and not want to fucking buy from you. So disconnect. Stop thinking about your business altogether. Show the fuck up, do the damn thing, and then go do something else. What is going to put you in that emotional vibration of how you're going to feel after you have it? What's that going to do? For the record, I still do this all the fucking time, and every single goal I have set through it, I don't barely make it. My first 10K month was actually $13,000 or $14,000. I blow fucking through it. So, and it's not like, ooh, I'm just barely gonna squeak by, but I'm gonna do it. Oh my goodness, oh, it's gonna be tight and hard. No, fuck that noise. Go, show up, do the damn thing, and then go relax, disconnect, stop thinking about it, have fun, do, you know, if you're gonna feel exhilarated, that's one of my emotions. I'm gonna feel really fucking exhilarated when I have my first $50,000 cash month. I've had $50,000 booked months, and that was beautiful and amazing, and I loved it. When I have my first $50,000 cash month, oh my God, I'm gonna feel so exhilarated. So what makes me feel exhilarated? I go on runs. I think about amazing experiences while I'm running to like make my heart feel like it's gonna explode out of its chest. I fucking love that. I love it. So yes, what is it gonna be for you? Stop making it so hard on yourself, because I guarantee you it's not, you know, yes, your messaging and all that is important. You have to get like real fucking clear on what you're doing, what you're saying, and be very intentional about what you're putting out. And by the way, if you need help on your fucking messaging, reach out to Rena, because she's got an amazing course starting, I think, next week about it. But seriously, like, show up to your desires. Quit focusing on them not happening. Quit seeing and proving to yourself that you're not worthy and you're not deserving and you do all the fucking things, but they're not showing up. The thing you're not doing is you're not changing your fucking mindset. The thing you're not doing is you're not proving to yourself that it is available to you. So show the fuck up for your desires. Start seeing that it is available to you. Start seeing that people want to engage with you. Start seeing that people are interested in what you have to say. Start proving that to yourself, because a belief is simply a thought that's thought over and over and over and over and over again. So the more you think people don't want to work with me, people don't want to fucking sign up with me, nobody sees my posts, nobody engages with me, nobody blah, 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 blah. The more you keep saying that, the more you're looking for that proof, the more you're creating that for yourself. So stop. Yes, her programs are incredibly healthy. I'm getting another message in at the same time. Her programs are really fucking helpful. So, my love, focus on your 10K month. Yes, but see it as a simple, easy thing. Like, all you have to do is just take a couple steps. Okay, what are those steps I need to do? I need to disconnect, show the fuck up, and I didn't know you could reply directly to people on here. Is that still open to the public? I didn't know you could do that, Rena. That's cool. So, show the fuck up, disconnect to reconnect, stop proving to yourself that it's not fucking happening, because the more you prove it, guess what? The more you're proving it, the more you're gonna see that. So, stop. I love you. For the love of all things holy, which is you, stop. Change your mindset. Start proving that it is available to you, that everything is there. Everything is there. Everything is there, and people do want to work with you. People are interested in you. People love what you have to fucking say. You change people's lives by you showing up and doing the thing and being you, because you do. So stop saying nobody wants it. Nobody wants it. You are sure shit are not going, I promise you, you are not ever going to have a $10,000 a month if you keep saying nobody wants to work with me. You're certainly not going to move up to $20,000 if you keep saying nobody wants to work with me. Nobody's buying my stuff. Nobody. So, and people fucking love to pay you. Yes, they do. People absolutely fucking love to pay you. And start seeing that. Start seeing that money's available to you. Everywhere. Everywhere. I found a penny on the street outside when I went to go get coffee. It was filthy as fucking dirty, and I just like stood over that penny and I said, thank you so much. I love that you're available to me right now. I love that money is available to me right now. Good, Elizabeth. I want your mind to be blown. I want your mind to be blown. So just all of you, everybody who's had difficulty reaching that 10K mark or keeping that 10K mark, stop. Stop telling yourself your old stories. Continue realizing and believing that and seeing that everybody wants to fucking work with you, because they do. The minute you start realizing and putting yourself on a pedestal, everyone else is going to put you on a pedestal too. I am a fire fox today. I mean, I am every day, but especially today I'm on fucking fire. So, my loves, I have a call coming up in a few minutes, and she is certainly going to get her mind fucking blown today as well. So, yes, I pick up dimes and quarters and pennies off the street. This one was especially like really filthy and caked to the street. So I just really, if they're like that, I just really give thanks and bless it and appreciate that there is abundance to me everywhere. And I'm so grateful for that. I am so fucking grateful for that. So that's what I've got for you today. I have 5 minutes before my next call. I fucking love you. If anyone wants to work with me one-on-one, I have one spot available for next month. So reach out to me right now. I love you. I love you. I love you. Stop making it so hard for yourselves. Mwah!